Best practices for macros in Zendesk. Groups will have their own escalation and other workflow-based macros as identified. Encourage use of macros for housing canned replies whenever possible, but may not be applicable for all groups. So all groups can have their own individual macros. Starting off, we would recommend only admins to be able to create and modify shared macros. Agents will not be allowed to create personal macros. Then, define who should be responsible for centralized management of macros. It can also be decentralized to brand or business SMEs or managers. Establish process for requests. Establish a naming convention for common macros and use the categorization functionality to better search and classify them. Use rich content in macros and enable the plain text checkbox to make sure the text is readable regardless of the tool the users are using to check out your response. Full video in the description. I'll see you. Bye.